Hey there, and welcome back to AJM Learn. Really quick and fun one today. So I'm going to copy this straight over from the post. We're just making certain text. We're giving it a gradient fill. So super fun and easy. So I'll paste this right over. You see, bam. I lied. I think in the post it's an H2, which would do nothing here because this is actually an H1. So first thing I want to show you is, so what this is applying to a bold H2. I don't have one of those on this page. I actually want to target this H1. So I will change it to H1. Bam, it's working. So any bolded H1, this will apply to. So pretty simple. Another fun thing you can do. So this right here is I just have this gradient, it's just a 2-color gradient. You can go in, if you want to add one either at the end or in the middle. All you have to do is make sure it's separated by a comma. You have your hex code separated by another comma, and you'll be able to see I added a turquoise. So it was going from teal to yellow. Now there's a turquoise in the middle, so I've added a third color. So super easy to manipulate. Another way you can change this is just depending on where you want to apply it. I typically do this to bold fonts because I am trying to put emphasis, so it just kind of makes sense. But you could do this with italic as well. So I'll show you, get rid of this part. I'm going to change it to H4 because that's what this is. And EM, which is our italic. So ignore this because I already have a color on this bolded one, so it's just a solid color now. But now my italicized H4 has this gradient. Of course, if I did this, it would still be there, but I don't want this on all of my H4s. So you want to make sure to do it on just italic or just bold ones or whatever makes sense. So as you can see, you can change, what heading you're targeting, what style you're targeting. And one last thing I want to show is this applies really for, all CSS mostly, is this is now, of course, applying to my entire website. So any bolded H1 is now going to be this gradient, which can be problematic if you're like, whoa, wait, do I have a bolded H1 in another page? I can't remember. So as always, you can use the block ID finder. Let me grab this block. You can put that in at the very beginning. Make sure to add a new set of brackets before and after. And I don't have a way, I don't have another one on this page, but you can trust that it's only now applying to this block. You could in turn apply it to a section. I could apply it to only this section instead of just this block. So whichever way you want to do, you could apply it to the page, but that's how you do it. You just throw that at the beginning, add an extra set of brackets around the code, and it's just applied to that one area. All right, super fun, super easy, and hope you enjoy.